Why are you doing with the kids? What's going on? Alright, step out of the car.
No, it's not like that.
Step out of the car, bro.
Don't see misdemeanor site. 10-4, 12.
No one's in bed.
I know where your dad is. I saw him running this way.
Sorry, the office.
10-4, hey, can you 911 outside?
Okay,
Stop the truck!
Adam 810 1035 Mary.
Pull into the parking lot!
Joe Mary, can you show us up with 925 Adam? Halldale, Rosecrans.
I got called.
D's not your car?
925 Adam,
Step
Halldale,
out of the car.
Rosecrans.
Step out of the car, bro. Okay, step out of the car.
What's the warrant for?
It's for 4116 DW
Yeah,
David
step
Williams.
out. Yeah, okay, now that you, give me the car keys. Then. Give me the car keys. Is this?
Yeah.
Alright, step out of the
No,
car.
it's not like that.
Step out of the car, bro.
Very identifiable.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
431 10-4, and the wallet taken looks like a dollar bill.
QDL. 4 Brockings for second level. Go ahead with the first deal.